Hi, I am Paula, a bosun in one of our ships, and I am here to show you everything about the decks. Behind me we have the anchor windlass, which is the machine responsible to lower the anchors when we need to anchor the ship. We have two anchors that comes with these two chains. If you wonder how an anchor looks like, come with me, I show you. This is one of our spare anchors, and the anchors we have over there look pretty much like that. If you want to see more about the decks, keep following me. Hi, we are in the heli deck right now, and we could have a helicopter in here, but right now we only have this big bulky thing called a fender. This fender is used by the fishing industry to put in between ships so they avoid collision, then they can transfer stuff from one vessel to the other. The fishing industry is responsible for a lot of waste in the oceans nowadays, and we need them to be responsible for it. Anytime we come across these things, or fishing nets or lines, we collect it so we avoid it becoming a harm for the environment. Anyway, in the heli deck right now we also have a very important thing, which is the most important tool on board the ship, which is the rib. These boats are amazing tools that we use to do all kinds of things like actions and transferring people, doing science. We put them in the sea using our cranes. I am responsible for driving the cranes, which is great fun. So now that you have seen all the decks, you might want to go in the boat. So if you feel like going in a boat, you have to go through the door, which is the wet room, where you can access the pilot door. But let me know what you want to go next.